Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make creamy kheer. It is also known as rice pudding, so I hope you enjoy watching this video. So to get started, we will need 4.5 pints of full fat milk, 300 milliliters of whipping cream, 250 grams of pudding rice, 22 teaspoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. In a wide base pan, you need to add in all your ingredients, excluding the whipping cream, as that will be used towards the end. Give this a good stir and we're going to bring the milk to boil on high flame, which will approximately take about 15 minutes. So once your milk comes to boil, reduce the heat to medium and we're going to cook this now for a further 45 minutes. So you'll notice after about 25 minutes that your pudding rice has slightly doubled in size. And after about a further 10 minutes of cooking, so about 35 minutes, you'll notice that your milk has slightly thickened. So I've cooked this now for a further 10 minutes. All in all, it's taken me 45 minutes and my kheer is complete. So I'm going to let this cool down now for a further 4 to 5 hours. And the kheer should thicken. So I have covered it with a lid just so that it doesn't form a skin on top, and this is the consistency of my kheer. So in a separate bowl I've added in my whipping cream, and as soon as the whisk starts to leave tracks in the cream, pay close attention because you'll soon see soft peaks forming. And that's when you know that your cream is done. So you just need to add that into your cooled kheer and just give it a good mix, just to make sure you incorporate it all well. And there you go everyone, your kheer is complete. I have garnished my kheer with some sliced almonds. You can however choose whichever nuts you prefer. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.